Hey there, have you tried working for a record in Zoho CRM for more than a few weeks? And you know this feeling where notes are piling up really fast, and what you need is just that one note which you actually needed, and what you have been doing is scrolling and finding that note through all of it, and that's where things gets messy. Meet the Notes Filter extension for Zoho CRM. This is a powerful add-on that lets you search, sort, and manage notes across a record and its related records instantly. It lives right in the related list of your record, just one click, and the Notes Filter panel opens up. Here's what cool features this extension has. The extension doesn't just show notes from the current record. Any lookup fields on that record like account, vendor, reporting, deals, and other modules can be connected in your current record, and it can also show those notes from those modules. It automatically becomes a tabs of their own, so if you're on a contact record and want to check notes on the related account, it's just one click away. No need to leave this page and go dig through another records. Now let's try on how to use the filter features of this extension. There are several ways to filter and search for notes, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. So first in the list is the search bar. The search bar allows you to search for notes using specific keywords. Just simply type your keyword into the search bar and click apply. For example, we're looking for notes containing the word proposal, and click apply, and the system will display all notes that contain the keyword you entered. And there's this owner that allows you to find notes owned by a specific team member. So just select the team member from the drop-down list, then apply the filter to view all notes owned by that person. And next is the mentioned user, where it filters the notes where a specific team member has been mentioned. So just select the team member from the drop-down list to display the notes where the person is mentioned. So for example, just let's click this user. Let's clear this up and click apply, and you can see there's just one note where that user is mentioned. And next to that list is the attachments. So you can also filter notes based on whether they contain attachments or there are no attachments on that note. So if you select this has attachment, you can also select the particular attachment by name. Let's try tech, and it shows the list, or it's in our case we just have one note where it contains an attachment that has a name of a tech. And next filter option is the date range, where you can actually find notes where the date range is from this date up to this date, and also by modified. And lastly, we have these tags. Tags are another useful way to organize and find notes. So you can just select tags from this list, and actually this list is created from this module, and these tags are created based on your preference. Just create no tags, and it will automatically be added here in the tags list. For example, we're going to select tags, follow up, and you can also select other tags at the same time. Let's select 3 and just click apply, and it will show you the list of tags that are being mentioned in the note. You've also got a full control over how notes are being displayed. You can sort by modified or created date, newest or oldest, and you can switch between the list view, card, calendar, and it's also applicable in other module tabs like this one. And we have this all combined notes where all modules are being pulled together in just this view. And we have this owner where it shows all the notes just created by that owner. And if you also prepare working at night, there's just one click dark mode to toggle to, and just toggle it back to turn it back into the default system mode. And adding a note is just as easy. Just click the plus button, give it a title, write your note using the rich text editor. You can also use emojis right here, and there's also a separate emoji right here in the rich text editor. You can also use black up codes right there. You can also add attachments from this note right in this current record, and just click save. And right there, there's the new note we have just added. One more thing, when you add a note from this record, it doesn't just live on this current record, it's automatically added to the related record too. So for example, we have added this new note and you want it to view to the account record where this record is being looked up. Just go to the notes filter extension in the related list and select the tab, and you can see that the note we have created in the contacts module is also being looked up here in the notes filter extension. So your notes stay connected no matter where you added them from. So if you're ready to stop the endless scrolling and start finding instantly, install the notes filter extension from the Zoho Marketplace today.